The evidence is piling up on Jair Bolsonaro. The former Brazilian president is accused of being involved in a failed coup attempt to topple his successor Lula following the 2022 presidential election. A federal police report of more than 800 pages has highlighted his extensive involvement.
The evidence collected throughout the investigation shows unequivocally that Bolsonaro planned, acted and was directly and effectively aware of the actions of the criminal organisation aiming to launch a coup d'etat and eliminate the democratic rule of law, which did not take place due to reasons unrelated to his desire.
According to the report, insufficient support from Brazil's military top brass held him back. The commander of the Navy was on board with the coup, but senior leaders of the Army and Air Force were against any kind of measure that would cause an institutional rupture in the country. The former far-right leader has said the accusations are madness.
Nobody is going to stage a coup with a retired general and half a dozen officers. What they're saying is absurd. There was never any question of me carrying out a coup d'etat.
But the noose is tightening around Bolsonaro's neck. The investigation also claims the former president was fully aware of an assassination attempt against Lula and mentions a draft decree aimed at provoking new elections and arresting Judge Moraes, one of his sworn enemies. Bolsonaro has been ruled ineligible for office until 2030 over allegedly planning to disseminate false information to discredit the election ballot box system. And on the 8th of January 2023, thousands of his supporters ransacked multiple government buildings. But despite the charges weighing heavily on his political future, Bolsonaro still intends to run in the 2026 presidential election.